What do you call a seagull that flies over the sea? Call it a seagull, right? So what do you call a seagull that flies over a bay? We call that a bagel. Hold the cream cheese.
Okay, well, this one's scratched out. I think this was a no-no. Why should you never call someone average? Because it's mean. That's a math joke in case everybody didn't really get it.
Try this one. So what do you get when you cross a Shih Tzu and a Bulldog? It's not appropriate for this show.
I like that joke. Did you know Matthew McConaughey's Lincoln doesn't turn left? It goes, all right, all right, all right.
So I don't know if you heard this, but the Swedish Navy has started putting barcodes on all of their ships.
I have not heard that. Why is that?
Well, because that way when the ships come back into port, they can just Scandinavian.
We're gonna make our own cologne today in a roll-on version.
And we're gonna add 4 drops of cedarwood Himalayan.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oop, that might have been 5.
3 drops of balsam fir, is that correct?
Balsam.
Patchouli, we're gonna go 1 drop of patchouli.
Very earthy smell to that.
This one's thicker.
Come on now.
So 1 drop of this shouldn't be a problem because it drips slow.
1 drop of vetiver.
Probably one of the thickest that we have. Takes a minute.
And how long do I have to wait for this? Because it's going to be a while.
Come on.
If it wants to come out.
Bam.
And so now we just add our coconut oil.
And we're gonna fill it up about to the neck. If we fill it up too much, when we put in the little roller stopper, it's gonna get everywhere. So
Hopefully I don't overflow this coconut.
Filled with?
Alrighty, and we put our little roller on it.
twist on your cap. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit so it gets everything nice and flowing.
And then it's ready to go, and you can apply it where you want.
On your wrists, behind your ears, wherever you like.
And you'll be smelling real good for your honey or whoever you want to smell good for.